Good morning, dear students. Myself Amita Kumari from Suraj School, and today we will discuss about 9th class of physics, and our topic is chapter 3rd, that is gravitation. From this chapter we will take these two topics. First one is gravitation and second is Newton's law of gravitation, which is also known as universal law of gravitation. Here gravitation means it is the force of attraction between any two objects in this universe. This force may lie between two objects and more than two objects also. This force of attraction is measured by the Newton, and he gave his most important law, that is known as Newton's law of gravitation and also known as universal law of gravitation. According to this law, the force of attraction between two bodies is directly depend on the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the centers of the two bodies. To explain this definition in the form of mathematical, here we will consider two bodies, that is A and B, of masses m1 and m2. These are the two bodies, A of mass m1 and B of mass m2, are placed at a distance small r from their center, and the distance between their centers is small r. F is the gravitational force of attraction between these two bodies. Then according to our law, the force of attraction between them is, that is F, directly proportional to the product of their masses, means m1 into m2. This is equation first, and in second part, F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. We will combine both these two equations. We get F directly proportional to m1 m2 by r square, and in place of proportionality we use here equal to, and we place a constant, that is capital G, where this capital G is the gravitational constant and also known as universal gravitational constant. This is our final formula of force of attraction between two objects in this universe according to Newton's. F is equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. The value of G is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. The value of G is always constant at every place in this universe. The value of G is never changed at any place in this universe. This is our today's topic, gravitation and Newton's law of gravitation. Okay, thanks students, and God bless you.